Shirdi Sai Darbar is one of the largest temples located in the heart of Silicon Valley Bay Area. It is a registered non-profit organization. This temple was started with Baba's portrait on February 24, 2011 inside Sanatana Dharma Temple in Kiefer Road, Sunnyvale, California. Very few devotees used to visit the temple in the initial days. In May of 2011, the main Sai Baba Murti and Dwarakamai Baba Murti arrived from Shirdi to this temple. The proper Prana Pratishtha of these idols happened on June 16, 2011 with the help of Sri Satya Sai volunteers. In 2013, this temple was asked to move within a short period of time as the land was purchased by a corporate company. By the divine grace and blessings of Baba, the temple moved to their new rental location at 255 San Geronimo Way, Sunnyvale, which has plenty of parking space. A formal Prana Pratishtha was again conducted on June 19 to 21, 2014. Large number of devotees started flocking to the temple within few years. During Baba's main festival season, devotees visiting the temple increased from 1,000 to 10,000. Currently, the temple has three main halls. First, Shirdi Baba Hall, consisting of Shirdi Baba, Dwarakamai Baba and Chavadi Baba. Devotees can feel the magical presence of Baba through the idols. Next, Bay Area Hindu Temple Hall, consisting of biggest 108 Shiva Jyotirlinga idol, Tirupati Balaji idol, and also the idols of Siddhi Vinayak, Lord Murugan, Lord Ayyappa, Lord Hanuman, Shani Shaknapur structure, Kali and Saraswati Mata, Ram Parivar, Jalram Baba, Navagrahas and Kala Bhairava. Every devotee will experience the divine aura of these idols when they visit the temple. The third hall is Satya Sai Meditation Center. The Prana Pratishta of Swami Sri Satya Sai Baba idol in this hall was done on April 21, 2018. An unique feature of this temple is that the devotees get an opportunity to participate in the daily rituals of the temple, such as doing Abhishekam to the main Baba Murti after Kakad Arati in the morning. Devotees can also offer robes for Baba and can assist in changing the robe after Kakad Arati. This is the only temple in Bay Area where the devotees can touch Baba idols. This personal touch makes this temple most special to every devotees. Bhajans and Rudram chantings are performed regularly every Thursday, as it is a special day for Baba. Since Annadhanam is considered most supreme form of all dhanams, the temple has Annadhanam all day on Thursday, Saturday and Sunday to all devotees. Major festivals celebrated every year are Guru Purnima, Maha Samadhi Day, Sri Ram Navami Festival, Maha Shivaratri, Ganesh Chaturthi, Krishna Janmashtami, Vaikunta Ekadashi, Durga Puja, Ayyappa Mandala Puja, etc. Sankata Hara Chaturthi, Satyanarayana Vrata Puja, Muruga Puja, etc. are also conducted every month. During the main yearly festival days, the temple conducts musical events for kids. This encourages young children to get an opportunity to participate and learn more about Hindu culture. The temple also gives back to the community in many ways. Sandwich Seva, Breakfast Seva, Blanket Seva during winter, and Second Harvest Food Drive are a few to mention. All the activities and operations in the temple are done by a group of 250 or more volunteers in a well organized manner, which was well appreciated by all the devotees. Baba's Udi is considered the most sacred blessings of all. On September 5th, 2020, Madhyan Arati Seva volunteers able to witness this miracle. Yes, Udi manifested from Baba's feet after the noon Arati. That day, Baba proved to all the devotees that he lives in our temple and will take care of all his devotees always. Finally, by Baba's grace, in May 2020, the management was able to secure this site as a permanent place for Baba with the generous donations from numerous devotees. Currently, the management is accepting donations for construction of the temple. If you wish to help build this beautiful temple for Sai Baba in the middle of Silicon Valley and also serve him, please donate generously. As you all know, in Chattaritra, Baba says that he will give back 100 times more of what you give. For donation details, please visit the temple's website at www.shirdisaidarbar.org. Everything to Sai, please be to all. Om Sai.